Actually, I'm having this plant. This plant was like this.
Okay.
So I changed it. This is entirely dried wood now.
Okay.
Can
Well,
you give me
yeah,
an idea?
you need to kind of carve it to give it some texture.
Yeah, that's the thing I'm thinking.
Yeah,
Can you
because
give-
it's just flat.
yeah.
Yeah, you need to
Hollow,
have it be irregular.
regular.
Look out like old wood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is this much thick. This one.
Yeah.
So here also
That'd
I
be
can
good.
put
You could just hollow it out and make some holes in it and things like that. It'd be beautiful.
I can make a hollow.
Yeah.
And scrap like
Yeah,
this
because
and I do-
everything inside
like
a
this.
tree is all dead.
Oh yeah.
You
it
can
is,
do anything you want with it.
Oh yeah.
And so anyhow, the top off of this
Oh.
is right here.
Yeah. That is. Oh, this is the top. This is also a layer.
This is the top, yeah.
Oh, this is a layer one. Oh wow. That's very nice thick plants.
See, so I carved it to make it look gnarly, which
Yeah.
is what you want to do.
Yeah. This is same thing. Maybe I can try it.
But you know, to carve on wood, you need tools.
Yeah.
And so my tools are,
Can I have a look at your tools?
well,